This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and displaying the home screen, because you need direct access to icons and folders. Press and hold an app icon. When the context menu appears, choose Edit Home Screen, or simply press an empty area until icons jiggle. This puts you in edit mode. You do this because only the jiggle state allows rearranging and removing layout locks. Once in edit mode, make sure to identify the locked folder or icon positions before moving anything. Now you actively change the layout. Drag any app to a new spot or across pages. You'll feel when it hits the edge, showing page switching. If a folder is restricting movement, open that folder and drag the app out. This removes folder-based constraints. You can also use the app library. Find the app, long press, then add to home screen to place it freely. Make sure to observe where icons settle. That visual feedback confirms the lock is lifted. Finish by tapping Done or pressing the Home button or swiping up to exit jiggle mode so changes stick. This saves your new positions. If the layout reverts, restart the iPhone and try again, because temporary system glitches can block saves. Make sure to check settings for home screen options and app restrictions. As a final troubleshooting step, reset the home screen layout in Settings General Reset. This restores default arrangement, letting you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.